Hello, welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2018 18-year 430D M Sport Coupe in black sapphire metallic. The vehicle is of course a facelift model, so we do get the sharpened LED front headlights alongside rear lights. It does of course also feature a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit alongside a set of brand new 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels. At the rear of the car you will see the privacy glass alongside a very clean and tidy example both inside and out. BMW gloss black air breathers, we've added the gloss black sidebars. You will see it comes with a full black Dakota leather, and for both drivers and passengers you can enjoy the electric movement, memory for driver's side and heated seat options. It does of course come with the magnificent 8-speed sports automatic gearbox and Isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest, and again you can see there that that's been kept in exceptionally clean and tidy condition. Moving round to the rear of the car, again highlighting those very popular and sought after alloy wheels, one of the most timeless looks we offer here at Your Next Car. At the back we've opted to go for both the high gloss spoiler and matching rear diffuser. If you've not yet seen in the rear boot space of a 4 Series, whilst you do so, it's just worth mentioning of course we're offering an operating under the click and collect service here at Your Next Car at the moment, and if you want to find more about that, simply follow the links onto the website which are in the description down below, and you can view not only about that system alongside this wonderful vehicle, including all of the prices and funding options available. And we shall now go on board and walk you through a couple of this vehicle's major talking points and features. We've also got power folding mirrors alongside the very nice facelifted professional wide navigation and a media screen, which does of course include the Connected Drive Plus, which does give you access to the online search, news and weather apps, which are all powered via Google. Great way of keeping you connected whilst out and about. You'll see there the real-time traffic updates included on the really user-friendly system SatNav, Bluetooth telephone and audio. We've also got DAB as well as all of the regular refinements in terms of your multimedia, including USB, AUX and the pre-mentioned Bluetooth audio. There is also the music collection system as well. Down here you'll find dual climate controls as well as your switches for your heated seats. And the total mileage for this car is a very low mileage, just under 13,000 miles. That's really low, especially for a 3-litre 4 Series. So of course the first service is not yet due. However, if we click back through into my vehicle and vehicle status screen, you can see of course everything's highlighted in green, and there is also a pre-delivery inspection service as well. So thank you for taking the time to watch one of our walk-arounds. I do hope you enjoyed it and of course been able to find it useful, and we shall look forward to hearing and hopefully seeing you soon. Take care, bye bye.